I want to evaluate this integral, so I can see certainly that I'm multiplying here, so I need to use substitution, which means what's under this square root I'm going to make u, and thus du equals 2x dx. I see no 2, so I'm going to divide that out on both sides, and then I'll substitute the x dx for du over 2. So the du over 2, that's really 1/2 du, so I'm going to put the 1/2 out front. 725. This becomes my square root of u, or u to the 1/2, du. So I substituted du and then the 1/2 piece over there. I just kind of separated it a little bit. So now I have this 1/2. My u to the 1/2, I can find the antiderivative, adding 1. So I get 1/2 u to the 3/2 over 3/2. And because when I'm dividing a fraction, this 3/2 on the bottom, I flip and multiply. So that becomes 1/3 u, which is x squared minus 49 to the 3/2, that I'm evaluating at 7 and 25. So away I go. I have 1/3. I'm going to plug in 25 squared minus 49 to the 3/2 minus 1/3. I'm going to plug in the lower limit of 7, 49 to the 3/2. I can see when I square 7, that's going to become 49, that's going to become 0, and that piece simply goes away. So all I have is this piece where I square 25, 49 to the 3/2, and then I get 1/3 of 576 to the 3/2. And you can do this in many steps as you want, but I just stick it in my calculator and I get 1/3 of 13824, which is equal to 4608.